Got all of our gaskets, manifold, intake, looking real nice. Got all the parts laying on the table here. That's how it's looking so far. Like butthole.
Do you see a 13?
Alright, we got the Ranger heads on here, and just letting you guys know, the steps for this is step 1, 22 foot-pounds, or 30 newton meters. Step 2 is 70 newton meters, 52 foot-pounds. Step 3 is rotate the head bolts an additional 90 degrees, which what the bolt is a torque to yield is why it does a 90 degrees and not a final torque spec, is because when this gets torqued, it stretches a certain amount, and that is the specified torque or whatever you want to call it. And when you take this back out, it doesn't contract back to its original shape. So that's why they're torque to yield bolts. One-time use. You throw them out after you're done, so that's why we have all new head bolts in here, and all the old ones are over there, plus this one. But there's your sequence. It'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. You pretty much want to torque diagonal inside first, and then outside, because outside, you just want to get. But it really matters, but you want to do inside first, so then you don't have any binding in your heads or cause any leaks to happen. But we got it all, the sludge all cleaned out. We got the surface all cleaned up. We're close to putting this intake in. I just got it cleaned over here. It's sitting right here, but it's pretty clean. For the most part, most of the carbon deposits are out of it. But then after that, we're going to probably mess with these. Probably wire brush those off real quick. But other than that, we're looking pretty good. so we got the intake on, we got the rockers on, we're doing the exhaust manifold right now.
Yep.
It's looking pretty good, hell of a lot better than it was when it wasn't all cleaned and buffed and all that nice stuff.